Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this crispy and tasty instant Sooji Dosa or Rava Dosa. This is quick to make and is so delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी कोड़े देखा चाहते हैं तले थी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करूँ. Let's start with the recipe. First take 1 cup of suji or rava in a blender jar. To that add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour or atta. Blend to make fine powder. Transfer it to a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of curd to it. Whisk and mix well. After it's combined, gradually add 1 cup of water and mix. Mix to form a smooth batter. Our batter is perfectly smooth now. Cover and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare Aloo Masala. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of Panchforan and 5 to 6 curry leaves. Let them splutter and then add 1 tablespoon of Chana Dal and saute for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 3 chopped green chillies. Saute them and then add 2 thin sliced onions. Saute till the onion turns translucent. Now add salt as per taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Then add 3 to 4 boiled and mashed potatoes and mix well with the onions. Add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. Our aloo masala is ready now. Our batter is well rested and thickened. This is the perfect consistency for dosa. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water. Whisk for 2 to 3 minutes and our batter is ready to make dosas. Heat a tawa and brush oil. Sprinkle water to lower the temperature. Wipe out the water. Spread ladle full of batter. Let it cook for a minute and then sprinkle oil on top. Tilt the tawa to spread the oil. The edges have beautifully browned now. Scrape to remove the bottom. Now place the prepared aloo masala. Sprinkle some finely chopped onions and fold the dosa. Our crispy and tasty Sooji Dosa is ready now. This is quick and easy to make and is just so delicious. Have it with sambar or chutney and you're good to go. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.